Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to print a string or a text for a given number of times using for loops. In previous videos we have seen how to print a text or a string using while loop. Now in this video we will see using for loop. So let's get started. First we will see the code. By using while loop and for loop we are getting the same output, but we are coding in a different way. While using while, we use different kind of code. While using for loop, we use different kind of code. We will see what is the difference. So let's get started. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now we need to give file name for one.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So this is the file name dot with the extension py. Now click on Save. Yeah, file is saved. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So click here to open command prompt. Now type cmd, enter. Now we need to give path cd space desktop, enter, dictionary dir. Now give your file name for one.py with the extension py, enter. Now enter any number. How many times you want to print this string or a text for a given number of times. So enter a number. I will type 10. I want 10 times to print that string. So I have entered 10. Enter. See, we are getting hello for 10 times. In the previous videos, we have seen by using while loop. We are getting the same output by using while loop also. But here we are using for loop. Now we will see the code. First I will copy this output and I will paste over here. Yeah, this is the code and this is the output. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user, how many times you want to print that string or a text. So we need to enter any number. We will see in this output, enter a number. I want to print this string for 10 times, so I entered 10 times. Then for x in range of n plus 1, this is the syntax for loop. This is the for. First we will see what is x in range of n plus 1. Means x value ranges from 0 to n plus 1. Now range of n plus 1 values starts from 0 to n plus 1. Why we have taken n plus 1 means here we have taken n value as a given number. Range will start from 0 to n plus 1 means the last value will be excluded. Now here we want to print string for 10 times. So we need to give 11 times. So range from 0 to 11 because last element will be excluded. That's why we are giving n plus 1. So now x ranges from 0 to 11. But now in the output we will get 10 times only because in range last element will be excluded. So we need to give n plus 1. I hope everyone clear with this point. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. After writing the syntax for loop, then it will enter the loop. Print hello. It will print. Again it will go to the for loop. Again it will print hello. Till 10 times it will print. After printing hello for given number of times, the for loop will be exited. Benefit of using for loop is we can know how many times the loop will be repeated. For example, here x in range of n plus 1 means x ranges from 0 to n plus 1. For example, if we have given n equal to 10, then x value ranges from 0 to 11. So we can know x value ranges from 0 to 11. So the for loop repeats for 10 times. Then this print statement will be printed for 10 times. In this way, we can print a string or a text for a given number of times using for loop. First, we need to enter any number, and later using for loop, we have to print that string for n number of times. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. This is the code and this is the output. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.